Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can basically do if you cannot find the canvas option in CapCut PC. So I'll be just adding this video here, and for instance I went to cutout and I went to auto cutout, and here I place it on the second track and I'm like, I can't find the canvas button. So you're just going to drag this and place it down, and you'll be able to find the canvas button now. You can select blur, you can select color, you can also select some styles here. If you scroll down, they give you a lot of options to choose from, or you can use your own background, but this is just if you want to use canvas's background. That is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!